A sewing machine doesn't have to be intimidating. Once you understand what the different parts do, everything starts to make sense. Let's go through them together. Welcome to this tour of the sewing machine. I'm going to show you the key parts of my Janome TXL 607. Your machine is probably very similar, but do check your manual for any differences. Let's start with the obvious one, the start-stop button. This does what it says on the tin. It starts and stops the machine, but only if the foot pedal is not connected. If your foot pedal is engaged, i.e. plugged into the side of the machine, then you would need to use the pedal to start and stop sewing. If you disengage the pedal, then the start-stop button can be used for the same purpose instead. Number 2, the reverse button. This reverses the direction of your stitching if you press and hold it, mainly used at the start and end of a line of stitches to secure your threads and stop them from becoming unravelled. Number 3, the Autolock button. This sews a locking stitch on the spot for times when you don't necessarily want to do a reverse stitch. Number 4, needle up, needle down button. This raises and or lowers your needle, but you can also do this by turning the hand wheel at the side of the machine towards you. Number 5, the thread cutter button. If you press this, the machine will cut your threads for you. But you can also do this manually by using the thread cutter on the side of the machine. Number 7, the twin needle button. Press this if you want to sew with a double needle like this one here. Number 8, the speed control slider. This speeds up or slows down the pace of stitching. Number 9, the touch panel. This is where you can select the type of stitch, the length of stitch and the width of the stitch. Number 10, the bobbin winder spindle and stopper. This is where the bobbin sits when it's being wound, and this is what stops it spinning when it's full. Number 11, the spool pin and spool pin cap. This is where the thread sits when you're sewing, and the cap is what keeps it in place. Number 12, the presser foot pressure dial. This dial controls how much force is going down through the presser foot onto the fabric. It helps prevent the fabric from slipping whilst you're sewing or from stretching out of shape. Number 13, this is the thread guide. The bobbin thread goes around the top when it's being wound, and the needle thread goes through here on its way down to the needle. Number 14, the thread take-up lever. The thread must go through the eye of this lever when you're threading the needle. Number 15, the thread tension dial. The ideal stitch locks between the two layers of fabric so that the needle and bobbin threads are evenly balanced. If the balance is out for any reason, this dial can loosen or tighten the needle thread tension. Number 16, the foot holder. This is what grabs onto the foot that you choose to sew with and holds it in place. Number 17, the needle clamp screw. This is what holds your needle in position. You loosen it to change your needle and tighten it to fit the new one. Number 18, the needle plate. The needle plate has seam guides which help you to measure and keep to a specific seam allowance when you're sewing. The numbers indicate the distance between the centre needle position and the edge of the fabric. The needle plate can also be removed to clean the machine. Number 19, the hook cover plate. This covers the area where the bobbin sits and can be removed using the hook cover release button on the right. Number 20, feed dogs. These are the small bars with teeth on beneath the needle which grip the fabric from underneath. They rise, grip and move the fabric back in a repetitive motion, helping it to move smoothly and consistently through the machine, creating nice even balanced stitching. Number 21, accessories drawer. This is a little box which can be used to store spare feet and other tools which are required for the sewing machine. It can be removed to give access to Number 22, the free arm of the machine. This can be really useful if you're sewing something round like a sleeve or cuff and gives you more room to manoeuvre your fabric. Number 23, the automatic needle threader. This is a lever that pulls down from the left of the needle and helps you thread the needle if you're struggling. Number 24, the presser foot lifter. This is the big lever at the back of the machine which lifts or lowers the presser foot. Number 25, the buttonhole lever. This is another lever which pulls down from behind and to the left of the needle and helps the machine to sew a buttonhole. So I hope you found that useful. Like I said at the start of the video, you may have a different brand sewing machine to me or a different type, but there'll be lots of common elements. So now you know what all the different parts do, the next step is just to get used to them, so have a play around. If you found this video valuable, please do like and subscribe for more beginner sewing guides. Thank you for watching. Happy sewing!